It's me,
Bree reads! Hi friends, it's me, Bree. Today, let's draw a picture of a unicorn together. Like this.
This drawing is inspired by a story. You can read with me in another video. Today, let's draw. You'll need paper, a pencil to draw with, a pen or marker to outline with, and rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and we'll use gray. Now take a moment to collect your materials. When you're ready to begin, let's draw our unicorn face on the right bottom side. With your pencil, make a big letter U shape. Down and up. Then come up and straight down. Leave some room here for your unicorn's hair later. Next, finish the neck here. Now, we'll draw the unicorn's mouth and nose. Draw a line across, a small curve up, and a smile line. One more time. That's a line across, up, and smile. Now let's draw two oval dots for the nose. Now for the horn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps down. Let's draw the ears. Point up and down. Now this side. Point up and down. On the inside, make a smaller pointed shape. 1 and 2. Now some lines on the horn. Connect the sides together. Add some unicorn hair. We'll go across the ear and swoop up. Swoop around. One more time. Swoop and swoop. Now hair on the back side. Swoop 1, it looks like a leaf. Swoop 2, the third swoop will go off the page a bit. One more time, swoop and up. Swoop down and up. Swoop however it fits and up. Next, I'll take my eraser and erase those lines that we drew for the neck. Do the same thing for the top hair on the bangs. Erase all those lines that are on the inside. We want this space clear for colors. Take your pencil and we're going to add some more swoops. 1, 2, 3, 4 swoops. 1, 2 swoops here, and only 1 here, and 1 here. Now for the eyes. Let's make some half circles. One more time. Bloop, bloop. Now 5 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little lines on each eye. We're all done with our pencil. It's time to outline. I'm going on top of my pencil marks. Very carefully. When we're finished, it'll look like a coloring book. Now I'm going to draw diamond shapes. Unicorns are magical after all. Let's make some magic. I'm going to make the corners a bit pointed and add some sparkle. A pointed diamond, this one's smaller. I'll add some more wherever I see some empty space. One here. One over here. This looks like a good spot. Sometimes I make them sparkle and sometimes I don't. Some are bigger and some are smaller. Make them any way you like. When you're satisfied, it's time to color. Let's start with our first rainbow color, red. I'll color the first part of the horn on the bottom, red. Next, orange. Now yellow. Green. And blue. Now let's color the hair in rainbow order, but this time let's start with purple or violet. Now blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Now for the hair on the side. I'll take the red for this piece, since red is next to orange. Now I'll start my rainbow order over again. And next to this red, I'll put orange again. What goes on the other side of orange? Yellow. Here, I'll put blue. Do you know what goes between yellow and blue? It's green! Now I'll use purple. And surprise! Pink! With the same pink, I'll color the insides of the ears. Next, I'm using my gray pencil. You know, a regular pencil works for this too, since that's gray. And very lightly, I'm shading in the nose and mouth. Now I've got pink one more time, and I'm drawing a heart on the cheek. I'm going to fill it in with pink. Next, I'm going to color my sparkles. I'll color some with yellow. And some with pink, skipping around. The unicorn is white. That means I'm finished coloring. Hooray!
Thank you for drawing with me today. I want to see your unicorn. You can find me on Instagram. Use the hashtag BreeDraws to show me. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.